Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Google your homepage on Firefox. Setting Google as your homepage in Mozilla Firefox gives you quick, easy access to search the web right when you open your browser. So let's start the video. So first open Firefox browser. Now click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, click on Settings. Click on the Home tab in the left sidebar. Here you will see the section labeled New Windows and Tab. Click on the drop-down menu next to Homepage and New Window and select Custom URLs. Simply type google.com into the box and that's it. You have set Google as your homepage. Now go ahead and close your Firefox browser and then reopen it. And there you go. Every time you open Firefox, you will land directly on Google. So that's how to set Google as homepage in Mozilla Firefox. Thanks for watching.